In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this cool fire cutout effect with an animation looping in the background in Canva in just a few minutes. But we'll also make variant where we will have a semi-transparent effect of that same cutout shape, so you get a really nice dynamic slide in Canva. We're starting from a blank canvas, a presentation template, and we're going to add a rectangle first, which you can add from the Elements tab or by pressing R on the keyboard. And make sure that it fills the entire slide. Now we grab one of the corners, hold the Shift key, place it in the middle of the slide until you get these two guidelines. Now we go to Text Options, add a title, and then type in the word that you want to cut out. In our case, this is fire. Increase it in size. And for the font, we're using Montserrat, but a sub-font, we're going to use black, so it's very bold font. And now we can change the font color, so we're going to change it to white. And then we can give this rectangle the final color we want. In our case, it will be black. So now we go to Share, Download as a PNG, and make sure the transparent background is not checked. Once you have it downloaded, you add a new page and drag your downloaded file into the slide. If I change the background color to any other color, for example, orange, you'll see that this acts as an image and it's no longer editable. And that is exactly what we want. Select the image, then click BG Remover. And this will give a cutout text from the rectangle, and that is the effect that we want to create. Now we can go to the Elements tab. Type fire in the search bar and select whichever one you want from the video section. Fill the entire screen. Go to Position and send it down. Now we're going to reposition the word. Select the word. And we're just going to increase it in size so it nicely covers everything on the slide. Now you can already preview it on full screen, and this already a pretty cool effect, but we can do more. Select the rectangle and reduce the transparency. If you liked the tutorial and haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button right now, give it a thumbs up, and hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.